Today's video, I'll show you how you can easily grow tons of coriander at home. So keep watching this video till the end, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to comment below with your queries. So for growing coriander, you need to buy whole coriander seeds from the market. I bought around 100 grams for 10 rupees. So I'm taking only this much quantity for growing my coriander leaves. And what you have to do is you have to split the seeds. Actually, each seed comprises two seeds separately, and you need to split the seeds like this as I'm showing in this video. So what I have done over here is, using a spoon, I have applied a gentle pressure on these seeds so that the seed kernels split open like this. And after I have done that, I have placed all the seeds in a bowl and I have soaked the seeds overnight in lukewarm water. You don't need to add too much water, just bare minimum water to soak the seeds will be enough. So soak the seeds in lukewarm water and keep it covered like this, and keep it overnight. And after keeping it overnight, this is the outcome. Strain out the seeds and separate the water from the seeds. And now I will show you how you need to sow them. So this is a makeshift bed that I have made on my terrace for growing seasonal vegetables. So I will make sections in this bed. I will divide this big bed into two sections. On one part I will grow coriander, and on the other part I will grow some other seasonal veggie. So I am using a broken piece of tile to mark out the sections, and after I have marked out the section, I am now adding cow dung manure. You can also add vermicompost or any other type of compost to increase the nitrogen content of the soil before I plant the seeds, so that when the seeds germinate, they get a ready supply of nitrogen, because you know leafy vegetables need nitrogen. After that, I will soak the soil bed properly, and then using the same piece of broken tile, I'll mark out sections in the divided portion like this. There is no exact measurement, but from the look of it, I think I have divided it at a gap of 2 inches. So the sections that I have made, I will place all the soaked seeds in those sections like this, as I'm showing you. And now I have already placed all the soaked seeds in the sections that I marked out. And once that is done, I'll cover the seeds using coco peat. This is optional. You can even use normal garden soil. I prefer using coco peat because it is moisture retentive. And once I have covered all the seeds with coco peat, I'll water it like this. And this is just about it. The procedure is very simple. It is not very complicated. I don't have a video to show you when the seeds germinated, but then this entire process will take you around 2.5 weeks to finally get your harvest. And once you have completed all these procedures, this is the outcome. It's a lovely feeling. So I urge you people to try this tutorial at home and tell me if the instructions worked out for you.